I have a problem here in Unicorn World, Elsa. I have a princess stuck in this capsule. I know what to do. I've been through this situation with Anna many times. Okay, our first step is opening up this capsule. So we tear it off like this. Oh, look at this. It's a crown. Do you want this, Leah?
Yeah.
I wonder what princess we'll get. Okay, let's see what princess we got. Who is it? Rapunzel! We wanted her! Rapunzel's one of our favorite princesses. Now we need to get some water and fill it up to that line. All right, so now we got the water. She needs to go in here for about 45 seconds, okay? We're gonna put this on. There we go, we gotta shake her up. 45 seconds, guys. Oh, look, she's changing colors. Whoa!